what's going on today. You see her over here? She gonna make me catch a case. Okay? Today is going down. Is you ready? Mm-hmm. Is you ready? You know what?
Mom, could you come on?
Hey. Okay. We got some. Y'all can't even see the food.
We got some pork chops.
If y'all know some smaller pork chops.
With some gravy.
Some rice and gravy. And I like my hamburger buns. That's what I use. Buns for the fun. Buns, buns, buns.
I don't know what baby started hurting on nowhere.
She talking about she is young.
I know. It hurt on the nose.
That comes from the curricular activities that she was doing. And she caught a back injury. Okay?
The extra what?
Extra curricular activities.
I know what you're talking about.
It was the funniest thing. Her and her sister fighting, okay? And pushed her into the car. That's what's wrong with her back. This was, oh Lord, what, about 2 or 3 months ago. They was getting it in. I was cutting grass. Looked over. Boy, what a sight it was.
Mama, shut up.
And you know they was fighting over ice cream.
No, we wasn't.
Yes, they was. They just embarrassed.
I don't know no ice cream.
It was over some ice cream. It was fighting over ice cream.
She was blaming. She was mad. I forget. I don't
yes, she was.
It's old.
It's old.
You can come upstairs and let you know he's reading. You know that, right?
No.
I haven't ate since earlier. I had to wait till this food got done. And I wasn't eating no noodles.
Oh boy. What a Friday. What a Friday. What a Friday.
Today's Saturday.
What a Friday. Today is Friday.
Today's Saturday.
Today is Friday.
I thought today was Saturday.
I'll tell you about these slow people.
Today is Saturday.
What is you doing?
Oh, today Friday. I told you, I thought it was Saturday today. Shit feel like a Saturday. Pork chop good.
Y'all like she do the same thing all the time.
So what?
I be having a taste bud.
Y'all like to see me. No, child.
She gotta give y'all some burps. She gotta give y'all some burps. Some burps. Burps. It's Friday night. Party's jumping. Feeling tight.
He's finna call your name again. He ain't leave yet.
On the move. Getting down. Check the mirror. I'm looking fly. Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't saying nothing. Ain't coming up for a breath. Look at him.
Cause I didn't eat since early. I just said I ain't eat since early.
We got to do a sip and talk. Sip and talk. Yes, we do.
I can't wait till I get my hair did out. I ain't gotta do
She
it no
just
more.
steady talking about her hair.
Cause
One other day she was just flanking her hair, talking about, ooh, look at my hair. I just did it.
well, I get tired of doing it.
Now she want to cut it off. Next time y'all see it, she'll probably be bald.
No fan though.
She don't know what she want to do with herself. She really don't.
That's okay.
When y'all stay eating regular bread, try hamburger buns. Mm-hmm. Put some butter across it. Ooh, and it'd be fire. See how thick that is? That's thick. It's nice and thick. That's a lot of meat.
I'm surprised you only got one pork chop. Cause
I just did that hot sauce. And that hot sauce ain't what's hitting. It's not hitting. Okay, my stomach. My stomach was hurting. And I'm talking about hurting. Excuse me, y'all. Hey!
It's gone.
It's a computer. I'm sorry about that, y'all. I make everything raw. I don't cut nothing. Y'all want to see everything. Y'all don't want no uncut version. Y'all want to see the real peoples.
No,
How
what is
we
you
do
talking
it.
about?
How we do it. Do it. Nothing but to do it. Nothing but the fluid. Do it, do it. I was gonna say something wrong with me. She didn't even know it was Saturday. Oh, I mean Friday.
Oh, okay, go ahead. You about to say He was right, go ahead. It was a Saturday.
She didn't even realize it was Saturday. I mean Friday.
So go
See, she
ahead.
got me saying Saturday. That ain't until tomorrow. I ain't trying to rush it. These days already going by fast.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all stay off. Mm-hmm. This meat is thick. When you go to the meat house,
That's tender though.
I don't know how cool. You get some thick ass pork chops, okay? I kind of like the thin ones. Well, I'll be about to choke on these goddamn thick ones.
You been drinking, mama.
I ain't had nothing to drink.
Cause you raw for real today.
Just raw. The raw deal. Raw. Like a man be trying for almost to hit it raw. But you gotta put some plastic over that.
You too raw.
Like you don't know what that is.
No, you too raw today, mama.
Put some straight plastic. Some of that old thick, wet plastic.
Oh my God.
Like it's a problem. Like you don't know nothing about that.
I do.
Oh, you
Well,
do?
but
I hope you know about the plastic. Making sure they put their hat on.
Yeah.
That's what they used to say back in the day, put the hat on. Okay? Because the head is a skull cap. It's got that little, like a little mushroom look. Back in the day when they used to take the hats and roll them. Mm-hmm. I don't know, these young kids now, they don't know nothing about no hats. They don't know nothing about that plastic either.
I do. What she talking about?
Well, she better know. Don't need no babies. Not
babies
not
at
now.
all.
Till you get married. Till you get married.
No babies coming out of me.
No babies. Babies, babies, babies.
That's just natural. And you ain't even have to drink no pop for that to come.
Mm-hmm. Body's so used to burping now. Look how long.
This ginger ale.
Mm-hmm.
Why it tastes like that?
It's Dexter's ginger ale.
Oh, damn.
Okay. Y'all, I'm just feeling good today. I'm blessed. I'm highly
I'm
favored.
blessed by the best.
What you talking about? Oh, my girlfriend. That's her favorite word. I'm blessed by the best. I'm highly favored. And she always say I'm in between blessings. What you talking about? I'm in between blessings. Oh, Lord. Made me think about it. I ain't called her. I ain't talked to her.
Y'all, she used to be serious every time she say that, too.
And don't play with her. Don't do that. She took me out for my birthday. She cut the hell up. We was on the goddamn expressway. She was drunk as hell. That's the first time I ain't never been here in my life. I was sober than a motherfucker. I said, let me drive. I got it. I got it. Motherfucker way on the other side of the street. Okay? I said, oh, Lord, please let me make it home. Then she thought she was going to make it home. I said, you finna take your ass and go lay down and sleep it out. Because a friend don't let you drive away drunk like that.
Not at all.
Then we stopped at the shrimp place. She cusses out the guy behind the counter. Telling him with your bald-headed ass. I was first. Not him. I said, would you calm down? I got this. You know, I don't want to eat here any motherfucking way. I said, oh, my God. You going to get your shrimp. As soon as I got my shrimp, she was like, let me have some. Do y'all got them girlfriends like that? But she'll do anything for me. Anything. Sweet.
This the generic ginger ale.
Yeah, it make you burp even more. Mm-hmm. Get some good
I
burp.
never heard no damn Dieter's. That's what
Dexter's.
it's called.
No fucking Dieter's.
Ain't no X in here. It's a T.
Well, Dieter's, Dexter's, whatever it is. It's ginger ale.
How much damn Dexter's is Dieter's?
Well, Dieter's, Detters, whatever. It's going to make you burp, okay? Go ahead on. Get on. Get on the cracker. Stop looking up in the fucking air. Ain't nothing up in there. We just having fun today. That's it. Mm-hmm. Life is just too short to be so serious all the time. You got to loosen up and have a little fun. A little fun in the sun. A little fun. And this weather's turning cold fast.
Fast as hell, but
Yes,
it's
it
been
is.
the past couple of days it's been warm. This weather is just, it's dumb.
Mm-hmm. It's Mother Nature. Can I mess with Mother Nature?
Nation on her damn period.
Oh, shit. When did you come off yours? What's your excuse?
I think today.
She be on and off.
Today, yesterday.
She be making me, I'm going to put my paws on her. Put the paws on her. Mother, I'm going to get her down. Like Holyfield. Well, we love y'all. And y'all be seeing us real soon. We'll be coming back. What you got to say? Love y'all. Peace. Middle East. H downtown. Subscribe.
Mama, is you finna
like.
cut it?
Share.
Is you finna cut it?